Multi-car collisions can be chaotic and overwhelming. With multiple vehicles involved, determining responsibility isn't always straightforward. A multi-car collision occurs when 3 or more vehicles are involved in a single crash, often caused by chain reactions, sudden stops, or dangerous road conditions. Responsibility may be shared between multiple drivers. Speeding, distracted driving, rear-end impacts, or unsafe lane changes can all play a role. These crashes often result in whiplash, broken bones, head and brain injuries, spinal injuries, internal trauma, and long-term pain. With multiple vehicles and insurance companies involved, these cases are more complex and require careful investigation to protect your rights. Our attorneys investigate the crash, identify all responsible parties, and handle insurance companies so you can focus on healing. If you were injured in a multi-car collision, call us today for a free consultation.